going to write a program for relational operators. Okay, for relational operators I will take two variables right now. Relational, what are the relational operators? Anyone please tell me? What are the relational operators? Relational operator. What are the relational operators? What is the difference between other operators and relational operators? Any one of you student? Any one of you? Arithmetic operators are the binary operators. How can I say binary operator? Here is one operand, here is one operand, and one operator is there in between the two operands. Two operands and one operator. Two operands and one operator. This is considered as a one operator. That is binary operators. What is relational operators? Relational operators. Students, anyone know? Dinesh or other person? Are you listening? Okay. Tell me, Karthik. Tell me, Karthik. Okay. Vinesh, tell me. Tell me fast. Relational operator is also a binary operator. That means, for example, A is no. Relational operators is giving a Boolean value like this. If A is one operator and B is an operator, if you apply an operator like less than, then what happened is A consisting of 10 and B consisting of 20. Then what happened if you apply 10 less than 20? 10 is less than 20, it is true, so the output is 1. If that means every time it returns a Boolean value. Okay, you have to remember the Boolean value. Now onwards, in relational operators we will only get a Boolean value. Boolean value means either true means 1, false means 0. We have less than or equals to, okay, and greater than or equals to, not equals to will be there. Okay, I will provide it. Not equals to will be there like this. Happened to me too. Please wait. So that those are the relational operators. Once again I will write. Relational operators are less than, greater than, less than or equals to, greater than or equals to, not equals to, comparison. These all operators only gives the Boolean value. We will use the as conditions. In expressions we will use the relational operators mainly. All the relational operators we will use in expressions are to solve a condition. To solve a condition. We already learned some program, I think. So all the relational operators are less than or equals to, greater than or equals to, not equals to. You can write in two ways. Not equals to, not is the explanatory symbol. Otherwise you can write less than and greater than symbol, not equals to. And comparison is double equals to. Python is also supported the triple equals to also. We will see later what this type of operator is. These all are relational operators. These all are relational operators. You can say this operator is separately, that is comparison operator. But we are going to write, actually what happened whenever you are operating a plus b operation, if a is 10 and b is 20, the operation will gives a value actually. In other operators, it gives a value. Here the operation is a less than b, like this. If you kept relational operators, we will get either true or false, either true or false, either 1 or 0. In the case of relational operators. In the case of other operators, we will get the value. If it is 2 less than, if a is 20 and b is 10. Okay, so let me go and understand with the program. So let me go and write. Students, you understand? Okay, now see here. Now I will try to write a program here, another program. So I have a variable is there, a value, enter any number, and once again in the b I need two variables right now for performing all the operations. B equals to enter another number. Now I will perform all the operations like C equals to a less than b. Okay, similarly D equals to a less than or equals to b, and E equals to a greater than b, and F equals to a greater than or equals to b, and next thing is G equals to a not equals to b, and H equals to a comparison double equals to b. Okay, now I am going to print the G and GH values also, the another print statement. Why should I put a slash and here? No need of this first time. Okay, here I want to print the G, and G value is this one, and H value is this one. G and H only in the format. Format is the predefined function. It is used to get the value from any other data type and converts to string. Okay, now the same things I want to print. Before that, this thing I will remove the entire thing here, and okay, no need of this. Directly print the values. If the a value is 10 and b value is 20, what is the output? I will save this particular program as relational operators, RELOP, relational operators .py. Save it. Okay, if I enter 10 and 20, what is the values? Tell me the output, students. Make it fast. If I entered, see here, if I entered the values like 10 and 20, here I entered 10, here I entered 20. What is the output if I print all the values? Tell me fast. Finish. Hmm. Tell me. What's the problem? Hmm. Then tell me. What happened? What value will be stored in C? A less than B. What is A I entered? What is the B I entered? 10 less than 20 is true. Then what is the C value? 1. True. Next. A less than or equals to B. 10 less than or equals to 20. 10 less than or equals to 20. 10. But 10 less than or equals to. We learned in uh, it is true only 10 less than or equals to 20. That means either it is less than or equals to. 10 less than or equals to 20 is also true. Next. E. A greater than B. 0 will be stored in E. Next. A greater than or equals to B. Not equals to B. A is 10. True. Yes. Next. A is equals to B. A value is 10. Yes. If A is 10 and B is also 10, it is true. If A is 10 but B is 20, both are not equal. So if you print all the values, then it will print A value is 10. What happened? A value is 10, B value is 20, and C value is 1, D value is 1, E value is 0, F value is 0, G value is 0, 1, H value is 0. So it will give the Boolean value. Okay, I will clear and execute the program. Okay, a 3.0 it is not supporting, so I will put not equals to, not explanatory symbol. Save it. Enter this one. Save it. Okay, run F5. So you will get an output here. See here. Enter any number. I will enter 10 in A and 20 in B. Okay, so you will get true or false. Sorry, you will get true, false, true, false. Okay, not 1 and 0.